YouTube. Look what we got in. We got the Gamma Cyborg trimmer. We finna unbox this. But before we do, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe one time for your boy. Like, leave a comment, share with some of your friends, all that good stuff, you know what I'm saying? But without further ado, man, let's get into this video. All right, man, so check it out. Here is the Gamma Plus Cyborg trimmer. I did do a video on the clipper a while back, you know what I'm saying? I'll make sure to put that link down in the description and in the comments for y'all. That way y'all can easily access it. But we got the Cyborg trimmer. I ain't gonna lie. When they were sending out the Cyborg clippers and trimmers, I wanted to get my hands on the trimmer, but I got the Cyborg, so I did an updated video for y'all on that. But now that we finally got our hands on this trimmer, I'm excited about it. I heard good things about it. Honestly, I've heard mixed reviews about it, but I'm gonna give y'all my review. You know how your boy does it. I'm gonna unbox it for y'all, put it to use. Let y'all know what I think. But let's go ahead and look at this box. Gamma Plus Cyborg on the front, as y'all can see. Assembled with a fixed stainless steel X Pro wide blade and the 1DLC deep tooth cutting blade. Digital brushless motor offers more efficient power transfer for smoother operation and reduction of heat. Skeleton designed for enhanced visibility to achieve maximum cutting precision. Anti-slip LED docking station with innovative space-saving design. Charges Cyborg in 90 minutes. Rechargeable battery with 4 LED lights indicating different battery levels. Runtime 180 minutes. Heavy duty full metal body. It does come with a 0 gap setter also. I've heard good things about that gap setter, so we might have to use that. 7,500 RPMs, low noise and low vibration. Heavy duty metal body. Digital brushless motor. USB-C charging. 0 gap adjustable. 3-hour runtime. LED battery life indicator. All right, so with that being said, I just feel like I just talked for a long time. But Gamma Plus Cyborg trimmer, let's unbox this thing. Check it out. You know, Gamma coming through with the packaging, making it look nice, making the presentation look nice. But let's take out this trimmer, man. I don't know why they make these things so hard to get out the box. Here is the trimmer. I don't say clipper, but it is a trimmer. Let's take this 0 gap setter off. The Cyborg trimmer. I'm liking the body off the rip. Like the way it feels in the hand. It's a little bulky, but it's not bad. Super quiet. I know y'all can barely hear on the mic. Super quiet motor. I really like that. I can feel the power in it. It feels powerful. Let's check out this blade. See how close it is coming out of the box. It looks pretty good. We can probably gap it a little closer if we wanted to. But it looks good. You know your boy was gonna run it like that first, and I'm gonna see if I need to adjust it or not. But yeah, man, I'm liking it so far. We got, you know, the little grooves right here in the middle, thumb indentation right here, thumb grip right here, on and off switch right there. Charging port down here, USB-C charging in the back, LED light in the front, as y'all can see. All in all, it looks pretty dope. I can feel the power on it. I'm excited, but let's go ahead and put this to the side for a second. So it also comes with a charging dock, anti-slip. You know, we got these little, I don't know what they are, but like little pads on there that stop it from slipping when it's on the surface. We do get the actual charger, and you can just connect this straight to the trimmer. You don't have to use the stand or the dock if you don't like to. I know a lot of people do like to use charging docks, so if you want to, you can, and if you don't, you ain't got to. And then we also get a box of accessories. Let's go ahead and open this up. All right, so we get some of the traditional stuff in here. We get the Gamma screwdriver. I'm gonna put that down there. We get a brush, some more small screws, some oil. This is the 0 gap setter that I heard was good. So we might try this out later on. There we go. We might try this out later on. But we got that in there. And we also got the USB-C charging cord in case we decided to charge it USB-C. All right, now let's see what actually comes under this little plastic thing in the box. So underneath, we won't get too much. We get the instructions on how to use the 0 gap setter, and then we get the user manual that we ain't gonna look at. So with that being said, let me grab the trimmer again. So with that being said, once again, Gamma Plus Cyborg trimmer. I'm excited to use this. Let's put this thing to use. That way I can let y'all know what I think about it. Let's go. We got the Cyborg trimmer. We're gonna ball them out and line them up a little bit with it. Let's check that out. Now we're gonna line them up back here so I can see how this thing lines up.
Fuck your followers.
Yeah. Check out that line though.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
Alright guys, so as y'all seen in the video, your boy was putting to use the new Cyborg trimmer. Got a little bit of hair on it, you know, your boy's been rocking with it for a minute. But I gotta say, man, I'm actually impressed with Gamma's new trimmer. I know it's been out for a little while, give or take about a month or so, you know what I'm saying? They did have it on pre-order a while back, but it is back on their website along with the clipper. I'll make sure to leave the link down in the description to the actual clipper video. That way you can watch my review on that, and then you can make the decision if you want to cop these or not. But they are back on the Gamma Plus website, GammaPlusNA.com. You can't use my discount code TANK10 if you do decide to purchase these tools. But let's go ahead and talk about this trimmer, man. Let's go ahead and talk about it real quick. So as y'all can see, we have an all metal body here. We got the silver or the platinum DLC blade. Me personally, I wasn't sure how I was gonna like that, because when I used this blade on the Rebel trimmer, it worked good, but maybe I just didn't have it gap properly. You know what I'm saying? Like it cut the hair down sharp, but it just wasn't short. But however, on this trimmer, it seems to be working a lot better. I don't know if they fixed the issue. I don't know if it's gapped a little better, but nonetheless, man, it's cutting the hair down short and it's hitting. Y'all seen it in the video, it's knocking that hair down like a laser, you know what I'm saying? One tap and the hair was gone, erased, and then you can even bald out with this trimmer. I know a lot of people don't use their trimmers to bald out, but me, I do. A lot of times I decide to use my trimmer to bald out. So if you're like me and you like using a trimmer to bald out, man, this is a heavy duty trimmer, at least in my opinion. I mean, like I said, y'all saw it in the video, y'all saw me balding out with it, lining up with it, all that good stuff, and y'all seen there wasn't an issue at all when it came to balding out or lining up. Now, if you're a fan of like the Stylecraft Saber trimmer, whether it be the black one or the gold one, I feel that this is really similar. You know, the motor is similar, runtime is similar, blade is similar. It's real similar, but it's different, you know what I'm saying? And the reason why I say it's different is, as y'all can see, obviously it has a different body style. So honestly, for me, I didn't really like the Saber ergonomics, you know what I'm saying? It felt a little thick to me. I wasn't the biggest fan of it. Did they work good? Yeah, they did, but I just didn't really like the way they felt in my hand. They felt a little bulky, but to me, these feel a little thinner, a little easier to maneuver with. Is it heavy? It is kind of heavy, but as far as ergonomic wise, it fits in your hand nice. As you can see, we got these grooves all the way around just to help you maneuver this in your hand a little better. And me personally, I don't think that the weight's gonna be an issue. I know some people like lighter trimmers, but you know what I'm saying, if you really don't have a preference, I don't think the weight's gonna be an issue. You know what I'm saying? It's a nice trimmer, and to be completely honest with you, the size of it reminds me a lot of like the JRL trimmers. So if you've had the JRL trimmer but just didn't like the way it hit, because me personally, I don't think the JRL trimmer was a hitter. But if you like that trimmer, but you're looking for, you know what I'm saying, something that actually hits, you know, in my opinion, here's a good option. I'm not saying it's the only option, but it is a good option. So as y'all seen earlier in the video, it did come with a 0 gap setter for the trimmer blades. I haven't used it yet. I'm thinking about it now. I probably am going to use it, set a lot of my trimmers just so they can hit a little better. But I'll let y'all know. I'll do an updated video on the 0 gap setter to let y'all know if that's something that you may need to 0 gap your trimmers. But I think it is dope that it came with that. That way, if you want to 0 gap some of your tools, you can. And it's a universal 0 gap setter. You can put any trimmer blades in there and it'll 0 gap those trimmer blades for you. So one thing that I did find that is different between this and like the clipper has a 6-hour runtime and the trimmer only has a 3-hour runtime. Now I know you don't need as much runtime with the trimmer, but I would have preferred it if it would have had at least 4 hours, you know what I'm saying? Close to 4. But I mean, I get it, you know what I'm saying? You can't put as big a motor in this clipper. So I got, you know, you got to kind of understand that. So you get 3 hours with this trimmer, but 3 hours is still a good amount of time. Obviously, you're not using the trimmer for the whole haircut. You're just using it to bald out and to line up. So this trimmer can possibly last you the whole day. So once again, going back to the ergonomics and the visibility of this clipper, as you can see, we obviously have the on and off button right there. Turn it on for y'all. And as y'all can hear, man, the motor's super quiet. Quiet tool, man. I know a lot of people like quiet tools. Me personally, I love when we have a nice quiet hum on the trimmer. But we got the on and off switch right there. Like I said earlier, we got the grooves right there. We do have the platinum or I don't know if it's platinum or titanium, but that's the X Pro blade we get on this trimmer. But it is a hitter. I know a lot of people were kind of skeptical about this blade, but it is hitting good on this trimmer. We also get the regular charging port down here, as y'all can see. And then in the back, we have USB-C charging. I know a lot of companies are moving more towards USB-C charging. I think it's more of like a universal thing now. It makes a lot of people, you know, not be as cluttered on their station. We can literally use one USB-C cord and start charging. You can't charge all your tools, obviously, with one cord, but you can, you know, put one on the charger while you're using the other one. So I think that's pretty dope that Gamma is doing that. But all in all, man, I would say that this trimmer is a good tool to have. If you are interested in purchasing this tool, it is $199.95 on the Gamma Plus website. However, you know, you can use my discount code TANK10. That way you can save yourself a little bit of money if you do want to purchase this thing. But me personally, if I'm going to purchase the trimmer, I'm going to have to purchase the clipper with it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm glad that I got both. That way I compare them. I like, you know, me personally, I like to just coordinate a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I like my clippers to match my trimmers and whatnot. So me personally, if I was going to buy this, I was going to buy the clipper and the trimmer. So you can use my discount code on GammaPlusNA.com. Discount code TANK10. Like I said, save yourself a little bit of money on both these products if you want. You don't got to, but if you want to, I would say go ahead and do that. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. Once again, I think we have a solid trimmer right here. As y'all can see, here's the final look of the Gamma Plus Cyborg trimmer. Turn it on one more time for y'all. But yeah, man, check it out. But yeah, like I was saying, man, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.